Hello everyone, today we are talking about Photoshop. Under my last video I got a question that says how do I Photoshop my background and if I can show you how to add a tiger carpet on the wall. So let's dive right in. I wanted to say that you can achieve the result without knowing the basics of the Photoshop as I do, so just follow my instructions and you will get the result. The main thing is that you should still and try not to move too much because you will get this type of stuff on your videos. The next thing is editing your videos. I edit it fully so I have a visual perception of what I have. Then I just export a still frame and open Photoshop. Here I have my custom presets and they match my video's dimension. So I paste my photo and then I choose rectangular marquee tool. With this tool you can choose the area that you want to change. Just drag your finger and then choose generative fill and just click generate. I don't really use prompts, but if you wish to use them, just type what you want and it will work. Here it is, my clean image. But if I want to add a tiger carpet, I just choose the area that I want, type tiger carpet, and Photoshop tries to understand me. It needs time to process everything, so it takes some time. So here are the three results that we have. It's not really a tiger carpet, but Photoshop still does an amazing job. And let's try to add another carpet over here and just type tiger carpet. Here are more variations of the tiger carpet. They are a bit better and you also can choose the variations that you like and stick with it. I'll stick with this one. That's how I make my background look better using Photoshop. If you like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section and follow for more.